Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google OAuth using Glide app step by step clearly. To begin, open your Glide app dashboard. Create a new app or select an existing app you wish to add Google OAuth to. In the app settings, navigate to the integrations section. Locate the option for authentication. Select Google as your authentication provider. You will be prompted to enter your Google client ID and client secret. To obtain these, go to the Google Cloud Console. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. Once in the console, create a new project by clicking on Select a Project at the top. Click New Project, then give your project a name and click Create. After your project is created, navigate to the Credentials tab on the left side. Click on Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. You will need to configure the consent screen before creating your OAuth credentials. Set up your application type as Web Application. Provide a name for your OAuth consent screen. Fill in any necessary details like your company name and email address. Click Save and Continue to proceed through the consent screen settings. Now, return to the Credentials tab. Select Create Credentials and choose OAuth Client ID again. Choose Web Application as the application type. Add your authorized redirect URI as specified by Glide. This URI typically looks like https://your-glide-app-url.com/authorize. Once configured, click Create. Your client ID and client secret will be displayed. Copy these values to your clipboard. Return to your Glide app and paste the client ID into the designated field. Do the same for the client secret. After filling in both fields, confirm your settings by clicking Save. Test your app by clicking the Preview button. Choose the option to sign in with Google. You should see a Google authentication prompt. Log in using your Google account. Upon successful login, you will be redirected back to your app. Check if your user information is correctly displayed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.